had to go digging in my parts box because I was missing a couple of things, but I've got some new characters I found. I had to open up some more bags, so enough with the details. Let's get to building. So I'm going to take one of these, and I'm going to turn this down because I don't think it's that loud. Right, build. So this one like this, and this one like this. That one's going to go here. I'm going to do the same thing there. I'm going to go like this. This one's going to come in like this. It's going to be like this. That's going to go there. Like that. And I'm going to take this one, goes here. This one goes here. And we put this on here. Okay. Sometimes you have to take it off to figure out, okay, what's going on with this. There we go. Now that's going to go like that. And then you can see in front of the building there, and my door slides back and forth still, but I'm giving a little bit of detail to the front of the building. You can see it. Looks really cool. Alright, let's go to the next video.